welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, now I will teach a new topic, carbon cycle. You know student, carbon are the very important part of our life. All the living beings, all the plants, all the animals contain carbon. That's why in chemistry, one special branch, organic chemistry. In organic chemistry, we study only and only carbon compound. Student, all the animals, all the plants, means from unicellular to multicellular, all the things contain carbon. So question is, what is the importance of carbon and how we get carbon? Okay, so see student, is the one carbon cycle. With the help of such figure, we identify means how we get carbon from the atmosphere. So student, see CO2, carbon dioxide are present in the air. Okay, so student, first thing we see is the plant. You know plant, green plant. How the plant make the food? By the process of photosynthesis. What is this process? The photosynthesis is the process by which plant make their own food with the help of water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. This process is known as the photosynthesis. Means from plants, the plant absorb CO2 from the atmosphere. Okay, student. After that, such plant may be die. Yes or no? Such plant, when it die, it decompose and change to the fossil fuel. You know student, fossil fuel, nowadays what we can use the petroleum. You know petroleum? Petro plus oleum means made by living beings. So such plant when decompose, it change into the fossil fuel. Means like diesel, petrol, kerosene, LPG, all are the fossil fuel. So such fossil fuel, when it burn, okay, due to combustion, it release the carbon dioxide. Okay, means from in the one circle over, from CO2 absorbed by plant decompose and change the fossil fuel, and fossil fuel burn and release the carbon dioxide. Second process, see, the plant eaten by animals, feeding by animals. We also take a plant, we take grain. Okay, so when we take plant, then such CO2 enter in the animal's body. Okay, and during the respiration, you know student, respiration, we take glucose, and when such glucose burn in the presence of oxygen, the CO2 become released and energy. Such energy we use in our daily life. So such CO2 released by the animals, including humans also, during the process of respiration. Okay, so such process, the CO2 enters the atmosphere. And when you know plant, during the daytime, plant absorbs CO2 from the atmosphere, but in the night time, it becomes reverse process. In the night time, plant release carbon dioxide. That's why student, night time, it is not allowed to sleep under the any plant or any forest or any garden. Please don't sleep during the night time, because in the night time, such plant release the carbon dioxide. Clear? Next one, when the animal become die, so that when animal become die, then it decay and change into the fossil fuel. Okay, and when such fossil fuel burn, it release the carbon dioxide. Okay, student. So this is the carbon cycle. So student, you know what is the use of carbon dioxide? Student, first we use in the carbonating. Nowadays what we drink, thumbs up, Coke, Sprite, all the things contain the carbonated thing. It means it contains the carbon dioxide because it easily dissolves in the water. Second one, as a refrigerant for the preservation of food. Student, you know the CO2 gas change into the dry ice. Okay, so the food item like meat, fish. Okay, so it saves the food item. Next, in the manufacture of urea, you know student, urea is a very important part of the plant. For the plant growth, we use urea. So student, in such process, we also use carbon dioxide. In the manufacture of chemicals, student, you know, carbon dioxide used in the manufacture of chemicals like washing soda, like the sodium carbonate and baking soda. You understand? washing soda we use to clean our clothes, and baking soda we use to make the food item like cake. Student, next one is in the food industries. Student, you know baking powder is the mixture of baking soda and a mild acid called tartaric acid. When baking powder is mixed with the water in tub for making bread and cake. Okay, student. So here are some rules, some uses of the carbon dioxide. Other things role in the photosynthesis. You know, student, what is the photosynthesis? Photosynthesis process by which green plant make the own food in the presence of carbon dioxide. Okay, so with the help of carbon dioxide and water, plant make their own food in the presence of sunlight. Okay, student, in the fire extinguisher, student, you know when anything burns, it releases the carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is used as a fire extinguisher. Okay, you know student, what is the fire extinguisher? Fire extinguisher stop the fire. When anything become burned, it stop the burning. Why? Because carbon dioxide is higher than oxygen. And you know friend, anything burned in the presence of oxygen. So when anything become burned, and if you spray the powder of carbon dioxide, then it settle on the burning substance and make a barrier between the oxygen and the burning substance. And the result, the substance stop the burning. Okay, student. Next one is the what is the green carbon dioxide and the greenhouse effect. Student, greenhouse effect is the big problem nowadays. Green gases means the gases which are released by the plant or the animals. Such gases known as the greenhouse gases. And if you know, greenhouse gases are responsible for the global warming. You know, student, what is the global warming? Global warming is the process by which the temperature of the atmosphere increases. Okay, see student, suppose that this is our atmosphere. Okay, so when the fossil fuel burn, it releases the different type of gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide, nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen trioxide, CFC. Okay, so student, these are the some gases. What is the function of such gases? Such gases make a layer below the ozone. And what is their function? Their function is the sun rays what enter in the atmosphere, it allows. Okay, it allows to enter the atmosphere, but when such temperature become returned back, it breaks their path. Means it allows. When the sun temperature enters the atmosphere, it allows, okay, no problem, you enter the atmosphere. But when it returns back, it traps their path. Clear? And the result, the temperature of the atmosphere increases. You know, student, global warming. So global warming is the occur by due to the presence of such gases. And you understand global warming? Global warming means the atmosphere temperature become increased. Okay, you know how? Because when such temperature become returned back, it trap their path. Okay, and the result, the temperature increase. And then you know, there is a glacier which are present on the mountain. When it contact with the glacier, then such glacier melt fastly, and the result, when a glacier melt, then the water comes in the downside. Okay, so when a glacier melt fast, then more water came in the river, and the result flood. And flood, the cities or the village or the town which are situated near the river, it becomes submerged in the water. Clear? And after melting the glacier, our river becomes dry. Means the first time the people die by the flood, and second step, it die by the absence of water. Okay, student? And there are many drawbacks of the greenhouse gases. Okay, student? So these are the some point of the greenhouse effect and the global warming. Okay, student? So the next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.